Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix bad poses and fit into tight gaps in Meccha Chameleon. So if your hiding spots aren't working because your character shape stands out, just follow along. First, find the location where you want to hide. Next, experiment with different poses and compare them to nearby objects. And avoid poses that create obvious human-like silhouettes. Instead, you can choose poses that help your character blend into the environment. And after that, move carefully into the gap and check if any body parts are sticking out. Rotate your camera and inspect the area from multiple directions. And practice different pose combination until you find the one that works best for each hiding spot. So that was how to fix bad poses and fit into tight gaps in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.